How to scan QR code on Google Pixel 6a. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually scan QR code on Pixel 6a, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, like you have on Samsung and iPhones, if you actually use your camera app itself, if it detects a scanner code, it's going to scan them automatically. But on Pixel 6a, you can see that's not quite how it works. So for this, what we actually need to do is swipe down our control settings and look for the option called QR code scanner, which in my case I already have it. So just place this QR scanner here. In case you don't see the QR scanner here, it's actually hidden, so tap the edit icon that you can find here, and once you've done that, just make sure to actually drag the QR scanner up to the position that you like, and now you can come back, and if you scroll down, now you should be able to see the QR code scanner in the quick settings, and now you can scan a QR code and place it if you'd like. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.